In this video, I'm going to show you how to build, run and test a Quarkus project using the Quarkus CLI. Hello, I'm Giuseppe and welcome back to my channel. Last time you learned how to start a new Quarkus project and how to work with extension. Today you will learn a few important commands to make your Quarkus application live. Let's get started. The Quarkus CLI provides a simple way to build your project with the command Quarkus build. Open the terminal and go inside the project. Then type Quarkus build. You will find the package in the target folder. Easy, right? One cool feature introduced in Quarkus version 2 is the development mode or live coding. The Quarkus CLI comes with a specific command to use. Quarkus dev. Let's use it. Inside the terminal, type Quarkus with the command dev. Alright, the project is up and running and listening on the port 8080. Now let's use it. Again, easy, right? If you want to perform a clean as part of the build, add the option clean after the dev command, Quarkus dev and the clean option. Another cool feature introduced in Quarkus version 2 is the continuous testing. Again, the Quarkus CLI comes with the command Quarkus test. Alright, now let's change the code. The test is failing. You can see it thanks to the continuous testing mode. Now let's fix the test. Yes, everything now is working again. Pretty cool. Just to recap, today you'll learn some few new features of the Quarkus CLI on how to build a Quarkus project and leverage the power of two cool features introduced in Quarkus version 2. In the next video, we will use the Quarkus CLI to build and push a Docker container image. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to be updated about the video that I will upload. See you in the next video. Bye.